Starting today's lineup with a serious time-saving machine, the Sealey Airless Paint Sprayer Kit APS $1,000 delivers a powerful 2,900 PSI output for fast and even paint coverage. Designed for walls, fences, ceilings, and large renovation projects, it helps users achieve a smooth, professional finish with minimal effort. The Airless system pushes paint directly through the nozzle for consistent spraying and excellent coverage rates. Adjustable pressure settings allow better control across different coatings and surfaces. Its portable design makes transportation around the job site simple and convenient. For painters looking to complete more work in less time, this sprayer is built to get the job done. Looking up, literally, the SkyVac skyScraper is a moss removal and roof cleaning system that keeps your feet safely on the ground. Designed for cleaning gutters, ridge tiles, and full roof surfaces from below, it completely eliminates the need for risky ladder climbs. Using ultra-lightweight carbon fiber poles, the system reaches towering heights while remaining easily maneuverable for a single operator. A high-powered vacuum sucks moss, leaves, and debris straight off the roof and into a waste container at ground level. Pole-mounted inspection cameras let you see exactly what you're cleaning in real time on a connected monitor. This is a serious tool for property maintenance pros, gutter cleaners, and roofing contractors who want to scale up their business safely. With no scaffolding required, jobs that used to eat a full day can now wrap up in just a couple of hours. From up high to deep in tight spaces, the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt Max 4-inch extended cutoff tool is the industry's first battery-powered 4-inch extended cutoff tool. It delivers power comparable to a 0.9 horsepower pneumatic cutoff, but without the hose, the compressor, or the screaming noise. The rotating guard offers 11 different positions, so you can dial in the exact angle for any cut. DeWalt's anti-rotation system helps maximize control, keeping the tool steady through demanding cuts in metal and pipe. At 28% lighter than comparable pneumatic options in use, fatigue is dramatically reduced on long jobs. It's perfect for cutting bolts, threaded rods, exhaust components, or anything stuck in a tight, awkward spot. If you've been waiting for cordless pneumatic-grade cutting power, the wait is officially over. The Paslode Cordless CSF siding and fencing nailer is the first ever cordless tool of its kind. No compressors, no hoses, and no hassle. It uses Paslode's 0-degree coil platform, which jams 76% less than the typical 15-degree siding nailers on the market today. It drives nails from 1¼ inches up to 2 inches long, with diameters from 0.086 to 0.099 inches. The high-capacity 200-count magazine features easy side loading, so reloads are quick and totally painless. A single fuel cell powers 800 shots, and one battery charge delivers up to 4,500 nails. Hot-dipped galvanized and aluminum nails are available, making it perfect for cedar fencing, hardy board, and engineered wood siding. For siding crews and fence builders, this nailer is a true game-changing leap into real cordless freedom. Battery management just got radically smarter with the Makita BCC01 8-port and BCC02 12-port charging cases. The BCC01 charges up to 8 Makita batteries simultaneously, a flexible mix of 40-volt Max XGT and 18-volt LXT packs. The BCC02 stays loyal to the 40-volt Max XGT platform and stacks an impressive 12 charging ports into a single organized case. Both units are rugged, fully transportable, and built specifically for crews that depend on cordless power all day, every day. They keep your batteries safely stored, neatly organized, and ready to grab the very second you need them. Built-in LED indicators show charge status at a glance, so there's no guesswork at the start of a shift. For contractors running massive Makita fleets, these cases are basically mission control for cordless power. Kreg has officially entered the cordless power tool game with the Ionic drive impact wrenches, available in 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sizes. Both wrenches deliver up to 275 foot-pounds of breakaway torque in a lightweight 2.2-pound design. 4 selectable speed modes, including a Smart Assist mode, give you precise control to prevent over-tightening and fastener runout. The variable speed trigger lets you ease into delicate fasteners or hammer through stubborn ones with total confidence. An all-metal gear casing and a friction ring anvil are built to take heavy-duty abuse on the job site day after day. They run on the new 20-volt Blue-ion battery platform, which powers Kreg's entire Ionic drive lineup. Designed by woodworkers for woodworkers, but tough enough for decking, automotive, and general fastening work too. Need to keep watch over a remote site? The Vosker VKX, solar-powered 4G LTE outdoor cellular security camera, has you completely covered. With absolutely no Wi-Fi needed, it uses dual SIM cards to automatically connect to the strongest available cellular network in your area. A 2 times larger frameless solar panel keeps its 14,000 milliamp-hour battery topped up for 6 months or more of full autonomy. It records 1080p full HD video at 30 frames per second and offers on-demand 15-second video clips through the mobile app. Built-in AI filters reduce false alerts, while a deterrent light scares off intruders, animals, and trespassers. IP65 rated weather resistance handles dust, rain, snow, and everything in between with total ease. For farms, construction sites, cabins, and off-grid properties, this camera is genuine peace of mind in a box. Old-school craft meets cutting-edge engineering in the Stiletto TIB15MC, a 15-ounce TIBONE milled curved titanium hammer. This all-titanium beast hits like a 28-ounce steel hammer while weighing 45% less in your hand. 10 times less recoil shock means dramatically less wrist and elbow fatigue over the course of a long framing day. The milled steel face delivers serious grip on nailheads, virtually eliminating glancing mishits and bent nails. A 180-degree side nail puller and magnetic nail starter handle nails up to 16D and duplex sizes with ease. The replaceable steel face means you can refresh the strike zone instead of replacing the entire hammer. For framers, roofers, and pros who swing all day long, this is hammer luxury that actually pays for itself. Need a complete starter kit in one tidy package? The Siegen by Sealey Mini Toolbox 111-piece toolkit, model S01335, has you fully covered. It packs 111 essential hand tools into a compact 2-drawer toolbox that's seriously easy to grab and go. You get screwdrivers, pliers, sockets, wrenches, hex keys, a tape measure, a hammer, and plenty more all in one place. The metal toolbox itself is built to last and keeps everything organized and visible thanks to 2 smooth, slide-out drawers. It's the perfect kit for new homeowners, DIY beginners, or anyone who wants a reliable backup tool stash on hand. Quality steel construction means these aren't disposable throwaways. They'll hold up to real, repeated use. For under-the-stairs storage or a car trunk emergency kit, this little toolbox punches way above its weight class. The Klein Tools 77000 Heavy-Duty Construction. Jack lifts and levels like you've grown an extra pair of hands. It delivers 350 pounds of hands-free lifting capacity with a generous 10-inch lift range. Precision lift and lower levers, plus a full-release quick adjustment, make positioning fast and totally intuitive. The footplate is reversible and converts the jack into a clamping configuration for super versatile holding tasks. Non-marring footplate covers protect finished surfaces from scuffs, scratches, and accidental damage. Sturdy I-beam construction with countersunk flush mount holes keeps heavy loads stable with minimal flex. Drywall hangers, cabinet installers, and finish carpenters. This is the upgrade your back has been begging for. Sometimes it's the little tools that matter most, and the DeWalt Jobsite ink markers prove that point perfectly. These markers are built to write on virtually any surface, from rough lumber and concrete to metal, plastic, and even glass. Quick-drying, fade-resistant ink stays clearly visible through dust, moisture, and direct sunlight on the job site. The rugged housing is engineered to survive drops, knocks, and a serious beating inside your tool pouch. A precision tip lays down clean, accurate lines for layout work, marking cuts, and labeling parts. Available in a wide range of vibrant colors, you can color-code anything from framing layouts to electrical runs. Once you start using these, regular markers will feel like flimsy hand-me-downs by comparison. The Ego Power Plus NEXUS 1,400-watt portable power station is a clean, quiet alternative to gas-burning generators. It delivers up to 1,400 watts of continuous pure sine wave power, with a peak output of 2,100 watts for ramp-up loads. 3 120-volt AC outlets, 2 fast-charge USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports cover virtually every device you own. It runs on up to 4 Ego 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. 2 6-amp-hour packs are included with the full kit. Pass-through charging accepts up to 900 watts from the wall, 200 watts of solar, or 100 watts of USB-C power delivery. Safe for indoor use with absolutely zero fumes. It's ideal for emergency backup, tailgating, camping, or remote job sites. The Ego Connect app puts full monitoring and outlet control right in your pocket from literally anywhere. Makita's brand new Impact Premier bit sets, models E26814, E26820, and E26836 raise the bar for driving accessories. Engineered specifically for impact drivers, these bits resist the cam-out, snapping and stripping that plague lesser bits on the market. A proprietary heat treatment process delivers extreme durability and a noticeably longer lifespan in tough fasteners. Each set includes a carefully curated mix of Phillips, slotted, Torx, and hex bits, covering the fasteners you actually face on the job. The shock-absorbing torsion zone flexes under load, helping protect both the bit and your tool's chuck from damage. A magnetic bit holder keeps screws secured for one-handed driving in awkward overhead or recessed spots. 3 set sizes, 14-piece, 20-piece, and 36-piece, let you pick the kit that fits your daily workflow. Dominate heavy timber with the Milwaukee 293120M18 fuel rear handle circular saw. This battery-powered beast generates the exact same raw cutting torque as a heavy-duty 15-amp corded worm drive saw. Integrated one-key technology allows you to wirelessly track the tool's location and remotely lock it out against potential thieves. The rear handle ergonomic design provides incredible leverage, making long rip cuts across thick plywood sheets feel absolutely effortless. An ultra-bright LED light completely illuminates your cut line to ensure perfect accuracy in dark basements or shadowy rooms. Rugged magnesium shoe guards keep the tool highly durable while significantly reducing the overall carrying weight for better mobility. Armed with a high-output battery, you can seamlessly make up to 570 cuts on a single charge. The Crescent RAILWORKS industrial utility carts are the first-to-market modular cart system that you customize to fit your exact workflow. Each cart supports up to 250 pounds per shelf, for a total combined capacity of 500 pounds. HDPE structural foam shelves are tough, lightweight, and totally impervious to rust, dents, and most industrial chemicals. The signature utility rail lock slot system along the top shelf accepts wire spool holders, lockable tool drawers, and full security panels. Choose 5-inch hard casters for smooth floors, or oversized 8-inch wheels to conquer rough or uneven job site terrain. A 3-position handle adjusts to 0, 45, or 90 degrees for ergonomic comfort no matter what you're hauling. High-visibility rawhide orange legs add a safety-first touch, and a built-in V-notch even lets you cut pipe right on the cart. Prepare tough concrete floors safely and efficiently with the CS Unitec VoltMax 82-volt cordless surface prep range. This highly impressive lineup of scarifiers completely ditches dangerous tripping hazards by utilizing a massive lithium-ion battery system. Heavy carbide cutters spin wildly to effortlessly strip away thick epoxy coatings, traffic lines, and uneven concrete layers. They consistently deliver the exact same aggressive grinding performance as traditional heavy-duty gasoline or corded electric machines. Because they produce absolutely zero toxic emissions, you can confidently operate them deep inside poorly ventilated commercial basements. A clearly visible battery gauge ensures you always know exactly how much grinding runtime you have left before needing a swap. This battery-powered system represents a massive leap forward for absolute job site safety, total mobility, and uncompromising surface leveling muscle. Speaking of dust, the Flex VCE-PS 25 Cyclone Pre-Separator completely transforms your vacuum extraction game. When working with mineral or gypsum dust, it captures up to 95% of debris before it ever reaches your main vacuum filter. The 25-liter transparent container lets you monitor the fill level at a glance, with absolutely no guesswork involved. At just 4.1 kilograms with 2 carry handles, it's surprisingly easy to move around tight job sites. Anti-static equipment safely dissipates electrical charges through the hose for cleaner, safer operation. The standardized D50 connection makes it compatible with all Flex safety vacuum cleaners and many other brands. Tool-free emptying means dust disposal is fast, clean, and skips the messy filter bag swap entirely. Now let's talk about job site safety with Milwaukee's innovative Bolt 10 personal voltage detector. Instead of carrying a separate handheld detector, This device integrates directly with compatible Bolt safety helmets for hands-free protection. It continuously monitors nearby voltage sources and alerts the user when potential electrical hazards are detected. Visual warning indicators help improve awareness while allowing workers to stay focused on the job. The lightweight design keeps it comfortable throughout the workday without adding unnecessary bulk. For electricians and maintenance professionals, it's a smart upgrade that adds another layer of safety. The Metabo PC-1865 power charger is a pocket-sized companion that does double duty as a portable power bank. Just slide on any Metabo 18-volt battery pack and plug in via the included USB-C cable or mains adapter. With a battery attached, it instantly becomes a 65-watt power delivery power bank for phones, tablets, and laptops. You can charge up to 2 devices in parallel, or run one while topping up the battery at the very same time. A bright built-in LED light handles close-range illumination for cabinet, panel, or underdash work. A drilled keyhole, belt hook, and lanyard eye give you multiple convenient mounting and carrying options. For anyone already on the Metabo platform, this is the smartest accessory you didn't know you needed. Finally, add flawless finishing touches to any project with the Ryobi 18-volt 1+3 and a 1/4-inch hand planer. This exceptionally lightweight cordless planer effortlessly shaves down sticking doors, perfectly smooths rough lumber, and easily chamfers sharp edges. Dual carbide blades spin at blistering speeds to completely deliver a flawlessly smooth surface finish that requires virtually zero sanding. You can quickly dial in your exact cut depth using the brilliantly oversized and extremely comfortable front adjustment knob. A highly convenient kickstand safely elevates the razor-sharp blades off your workbench, completely preventing accidental gouges when setting the tool down. You can easily switch the dust exhaust port to either side, ensuring annoying wood chips blow far away from your face. This versatile tool operates seamlessly on any Ryobi battery, bringing incredible convenience and professional-grade surface smoothing to your home workshop. That concludes our massive list of the 20 most exciting new tools available today. Which one of these incredible innovations are you bringing to your next big project? Let us know down in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more tool reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.